Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Melanie and I do a lot of unboxing style hauls from Degustabox to Pink Parcel, Degustabox. I also do hauls from TK Maxx, Matalan, Superdrug, Boots, B&M, as well as daily and weekly food hauls. Today's video is a beauty box unboxing. This is the first ever Superdrug Loves beauty box, which happens to be in a bag, but they're calling it a box. So as you can see, the items come in this really large toiletry bag that says Sweat, Smile, Repeat. So it could be used for the gym, or it could be used for when you go on holiday to take your toiletries. I've literally just come back from somewhere and this would have come in so handy. It is this lovely, it's like a scuba material at the bottom, and then it's this like fishnet type material, and underneath it's like clear plastic, so your bottles, if they leak, they won't come outside of it. So it's got a zip across the top. So I'll take each item out one by one. So the first item is the ILO times Cheryl Oh My God Goddess lashes. When Girls Aloud first did the range with ILO, I absolutely loved the Cheryl lashes, which were really thick and slightly shorter than this, and they were fantastic. Sadly I can't get them anymore, so I am looking forward to trying these because I have been wearing false lashes a lot recently. This second item is Superdrug's own Wake Me Up Caffeine and Green Tea Facial Wipe. Facial wipes gently cleanse and purify, gently remove waterproof mascara for all skin types. Limited edition. I absolutely love this packaging. It really stands out. If I saw this in the shop, I would be tempted to pick it up, even though I prefer simple face wipes. I will try these and see how I get on with them. The next item is Body Fantasies Fresh White Musk Body Spray. I've got one of these somewhere in the house. This is the new design. I actually prefer the new bottle, even though it's smaller. I do like the shape and the size of it and how it looks. I'm not a fan of white musk, so I may not like this, but I will still try it, and I do really like the bottle, as I said. The next item is MUA Prism Loose Powder Highlighter. That is a lot of highlighter in there. 18 grams. I've not used MUA for about 3 years. I used to use the eyeshadow palettes, and I had a couple of them and I really liked them, but I don't use them anymore. I don't think I've used anything else by MUA, maybe a lipstick, but that would have been it, and I haven't used anything for years. I do like a highlighter, so I'm intrigued to see what this looks like. I've seen this a lot on Superdrug and I've always been tempted to get it. It's Cotton Candy by Lou. I'm not sure how you pronounce it, but it's a creamy shower foam and the packaging is super cute. I'm going to put this in my shower and give it a try. The next item is this Bleach London Glitterati Body Glitter. It's a very small pack. I can't imagine me wanting to use this. I don't know how to apply it. I presume there's something in here that will tell me how to apply it. I don't know when I would use it. It's only very small, as I said, so I don't know what I would do with that. The final item in the box is this Colgate Max White Fluoride toothpaste in Fresh Mint. It's the Expert Complete Deep and Instant Whitening. Comes in a box, which is quite fancy. My toothpaste is getting low. I use, is it the Colgate 3D White, or whichever one, the one that Shakira promotes, that's the one I use. But I will try this, seeing as I got it in the bag, and that's it. So I guess the final item is the bag itself. It's a really good size, as I said, waterproof, which is always good. So I'm really looking forward to trying most of these products. The bag was £10 including free delivery, so I think it's good value. It'd be interesting to see if Superdrug keep doing this every single month from now on. It'd be amazing if they did, and it'd be amazing to see what they're going to put in each month, and if it will come in a bag like this, or if we'll get a makeup bag, or maybe it'll come in some kind of other type of packaging. If you want to know what I thought about all these items and the box, then please check out my blog. My blog is always linked down below, so if you ever see anything on this channel, you want more information, either leave a comment or check out my blog, because there's a good chance I've written about it. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and hit that notification bell, so then you'll know when I upload a video. And I'll be back very soon. Thank you for watching, everyone. Bye.